Hello friend, I am Dr. David Irungbam. Today we are going to discuss about one of the very useful homeopathic medicine in respiratory complaint, that is Justicia Adhatoda. Justicia Adhatoda is an ancient Indian medicinal plant and it is prepared from the commonly known as Basaka. It contains alkaloid basicin and athatodic acid as main constituent. Even it is used in Ayurvedic frequently. It is an excellent remedy widely used for cough, cold, coryza, that is watery nose, in all type of cough complaint, in bronchitis, in pneumonia, and in haemoptysis, that is blood with cough. Let's find what are the main symptoms of mind in Justicia. The patient is having very low spirited, despondent, anxious about his illness, no desire to talk. Patient is very irritable. These are the symptoms which we find in COVID-19 also. In terms of nose symptom, we find the patient is having profuse coryza, that is watery of nose, with anosmia, the loss of smell, which is very important symptom of COVID-19. Sneezing constantly. In terms of mouth symptom, we find the patient is having very thirsty. Thirst is very, and there is a loss of taste also we find in mouth symptom, and there is white cutting or ulcer in the tongue with the dryness of the mouth and tongue. These are the main symptoms of mouth. In the eye symptom, we find the patient is having very redness of the eyes with burning sensation in the eyes, and the patient is having excessive lacrimation. Even it is associated with watery nose. In terms of head symptom, we find the patient is having very intense headache with heaviness. There is burning sensation over the forehead, and patient is having throbbing sensation in both temples. In terms of throat symptom, we find the patient is having dryness in the throat with pain during the empty swallowing. There is tough mucus in the throat, but it is unable to expel the mucus from the throat. In terms of fever, we find the patient is having very chill during the evening with a nice sweat. Evening is attended with cough, cold, and coryza. In terms of respiratory symptom, we find a lot of symptoms that is similar with the COVID-19. That is, patient is having dry, spasmodic cough with sense of constriction. Patient is having cough with wheezing. There is having difficulty in the breathing, that is dyspnea associated with cough. There is threatened suffocation, and patient is having very difficult in cough, and patient is there is vomiting with cough, and child loses blood. There is hoarseness with painful larynx. Asthmatic attack, cannot endure the close warm room. These are all symptoms which we find in COVID-19 also. The dose of the Justicia is mainly prescribed in the mother tincture within lower potency. In mother tincture, you can prescribe in 20 drops in a half cup of water with twice daily, or it can be used for steam with 10 drops in this hot steaming water. In this condition of COVID-19, it is important to stay hydrated and so drink a lot of fluid. And also it is important to stay home and stay safe and stop the spreading of the COVID-19. If you get a chance, you should get vaccinated of COVID-19. Don't listen to others. It is very important to wear a mask, and always if you are meeting with people, and it is important to stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you all for watching.